What happened to my beautiful creeper? This is Peer Review, and today we have the Exploding Creeper. So this product is from Minecraft. This is, I don't know how to pronounce this. Is it Moang? I feel like it's Moang. If you know how to pronounce this word, tell me in the comments. I found this at Best Buy. There's also items like this, like the arrow firing skeleton, the shearable sheep, mining Steve, tameable wolf, and armor up Alex. It says, push the creeper's head for exploding creeper action. And here's a little tip for Minecraft crafting. Looks like that's 4 blocks of sand, 5 blocks of gunpowder, which goes into TNT. Creepers drop gunpowder, which can be used to make TNT. Cool. Well, let's open this thing up. So I took them out of the packaging, put them together, and here he is. You got adjustable legs, all 4 of them. Got the good detail everywhere. Now there's a button that'll do his thing. So let's pop them. That wasn't too exciting. But it's okay. He falls apart. Doesn't have to be. I wish there was a more powerful spring in there. Easy to put back together. Let's see. Let's make him do his thing again. Up. Bye-bye. Let's try again. My creeper!
No!
What happened to my beautiful creeper? It is in pieces! Okay, so that was the Minecraft Exploding Creeper from Moang or Mojang or Moshang. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bye-bye! Hello, this is Peer Review, and today we have the Exploding Creeper! Hello, this is Peer Review, and today we have Hello, this is Peer Review, and today we have the Exploding